Miss Amelia at the library, and today we are going to make another craft project with a take and make kit that you can pick up at the Columbus or Saluda libraries. This week's craft is a window greenhouse that is themed around the fairy tale Jack and the Beanstalk. So we're going to learn how to make that in just a few minutes. But first, I wanted to remind you that you can start bringing back your bookmarks for summer learning. So this week, you should have a yellow bookmark to bring back to the library, and in exchange, you will get an entry into our weekly drawing, as well as a new brag tag. So our drawing will be next Monday, so make sure you bring those to the library this week. All right, so inside your bag, you have a couple of materials that you'll need. There's a piece of paper that looks like this, and this is gonna be your window greenhouse, okay? And there's Jack and his beanstalk up in the corner, and you can probably guess what we're gonna grow in our greenhouse. Yep, we're gonna grow beans. So maybe you'll be lucky and have a magical beanstalk grow in your greenhouse. I also have tape. I have some colored pencils that I'm going to use to decorate my greenhouse. I have a pair of scissors. I have a plastic bag. I have a paper towel that I'll need to get wet, but I won't do that just yet, but I'll need to get that wet. And then in your bag, you also have a couple of beans, and the beans look really different. There's some big beans and little beans, and you should have a good mixture of beans to work with. All right, so the first thing that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut out my greenhouse. I'm gonna cut in a straight line all the way around the green line, okay? Cut all the way around it. Okay, so I've cut all the way around the outside of my greenhouse. Now I need to make a window in the greenhouse. So there's a square shape right here in the middle that I'm going to cut out to make a window. I'm almost done. All right, there's the window of my greenhouse. Now, I'm gonna make the next part, and this is the part that the beans go in. So, I'm gonna take my paper towel and I'm gonna fold it up. And Miss Jen has given me a paper towel that's actually wet, which is what you need because plants need water to grow. So I'm gonna take our wet paper towel and fold it up a little bit and put it inside our greenhouse. I'm gonna put it in just like this. And you can straighten it out if you want to, but you don't have to. It can stay just like that. And I'm gonna put a handful of beans in here, and I'm gonna zip it up tight and make sure that the air is out of it. Okay, so it looks like this. Now, I still have my greenhouse and I can decorate it if I want to. You can use colored pencils, markers, crayons, whatever you want to decorate. And plants need water and one other thing to grow. They need water and lots of sunlight. So this greenhouse is going to be hung up in your window, so it's going to get lots of sunlight. Okay, and I put some decorations on mine, but you can decorate yours however you want. And I'm going to take my window and put my greenhouse in the back of it. So I'm going to use my tape and tape it all the way across. And when I'm finished, it looks like this. I'll hang it up in my window, and soon, with the water that's in there and the sunlight, I'll start to see these seeds sprout into little beans. So I hope you have fun with this activity, and we'll see you next week.